If you used 1-800-Flowers for your Valentine's delivery and your loved one received a healthy, vibrant, beautiful gift that looked exactly like what you ordered, consider yourself lucky. I'm Jen Markham on Buzz60. Both 1-800-Flowers Twitter and Facebook accounts were flooded with complaints over the weekend. Lots of people angry their orders weren't delivered at all, resulting in plenty of fellas in the doghouse wrongly accused of forgetting February 14th. So the lady doesn't get any flowers and the guy doesn't get any credit. But maybe that's better than other customers whose orders were received, but instead of an expression of love, the gifts more closely resembled a hatogram. Flowers and gifts arrived withered, moldy, squashed, shrunken, missing blooms, destroyed, dead, or just resembling nothing like the picture on the website. The moral of the story is, on your next flower sending occasion, use the internet to Google the number of a local florist and just use them instead. Because as bad as a botched Valentine's delivery is, it could be a lot worse. Nothing says happy birthday like a reminder of your dead parents. Right, 1-800-Flowers? Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.